If you speak English at work or in meetings and you know what you want to say, but it doesn't come out smoothly, this is the problem. Not grammar, not vocabulary, not intelligence. It's your response speed. You understand English, but you cannot respond in real time under pressure. So in the moment, you slow down. You translate in your head, you overthink, you look for the perfect word, you try to make everything correct. Then you speak. And the moment is gone. That pause is what breaks fluency. Not a lack of knowledge. I call this the fluency gap. Just think about your real life situations. Meetings, calls, presentations, interviews. You start speaking, then you stop. Then you restart, then you lose your thought. You lose track of the conversation, even when your idea is good. Most people try to fix this the wrong way. They study more grammar. They learn more words. They watch more lessons, more videos. But nothing changes in real conversations. Because nothing is training speed. Fluency is not knowing English. Fluency is responding in English. Fast, under pressure, in real time, without overthinking. And right now, your brain is trained to translate, not to respond. So it always slows you down. Here is the shift you need. Stop thinking in your first language. Start speaking directly in English. Even if it is not perfect. Even if it sounds simple. Because speed comes first. Accuracy comes after. And this is why so many people stay stuck. They wait until they feel ready, then they try to speak. But real speaking does not wait. So we built a simple system for this. The English Speaking Gym. You practice speaking every day. Not just studying and memorizing more grammar rules, more lists of vocabulary. No. Speaking. Real conversations, real responses, real practice. You train your brain to respond faster without translating. You build confidence through repetition, not theory. This is what changes people. Not more knowledge, textbooks, none of that. Just more speaking time. And if you want to fix this, start now. Join the English Speaking Gym. Start your free trial. You can try for free for 7 days and start speaking from day one. Do not wait to feel ready. You become ready by speaking.